Ready to take your taste buds on an adventure? I'm here at Club Wyndham Austin to help you do exactly that. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Paredes, junior chef from Austin, Texas. I've created some locally inspired recipes that you and your family can make while you stay at this beautiful resort. Today, we're putting our own spin on an Austin favorite, barbecue. Next time you're out exploring the city, pick up your favorite local barbecue sauce and head up to the resort's rooftop terrace to enjoy an amazing meal and an even better view. I'll show you how to make barbecue chicken pizza for the whole family with an Austin kick. It's the perfect way to save a little dough and have a lot of fun. Let's grow.